Jungkook is now 8 months pregnant, but according to the baby, this is the baby's ninth month. So when Jungkook started having labor pain in the 8th month, everyone take him to the doctor. At this time, Jungkook is about to give birth to child, and Mrs. Son is with him. Mrs. Son, baby, push a little more. The baby is about to come. Hold on. Jungkook, taking a deep breath in pain. Mom, I can't do it. Now it is hurting a lot. I can't bear this pain. I am probably going to die. Please save my child, Mom. Mrs. John, no baby, try a little more. Harder. Just listen to your mom at least and push hard one last time. Jungkook listened to his mother. He heard the sound of baby crying and immediately feels unconscious due to tiredness. Jungkook, a while later when Jungkook regained conscious. My dad, where am I? Mrs. John, baby, you up. Nothing has happened to you. Jungkook looking his mom. Mom, this means I am fine, my baby. Mom, Mrs. John smiling. Look at your side. He has seen a cute little baby sleeping next to him. Jungkook eyes filled with tears as he watched his baby sleep peacefully. Jungkook angrily touched his baby's cheek. Now he starts caressing baby's cheek lovingly with his hand. Mom, baby is so soft, but mom, is this a boy or a girl? Mrs. John, baby Cookie, you can pick up the baby. Jackie, but mom, what if he wake up? And what if I drop him? He is very small. I wanna be able to handle it. Mrs. John, you will not fail. You will have to get used to it. Jungkook takes baby into his arm very gently. As soon as Jungkook holds the baby in his arms, the baby wake up and started crying in panic. See, mom, I told you that he will wake up now. How do I make him quit? Make him quit quickly. He is crying a lot. Mrs. John smiling. He is hungry. Feed him. Jungkook, innocent, look at his mom. And how how do we find out what he will eat? Mrs. John gently patting Jungkook on the head. My stupid bunny, he is also small. He also cannot eat anything. He will only drink milk. Feed him your milk. Jackie, what? No way. Mom, you don't even think that I will give him my milkshake. He is still after my milkshake. Mrs. John really done with Jungkook. After that, Mrs. John tell everything to Jungkook and he understand how to. 2 days later, Jungkook gets discharged from the hospital and he was currently sleeping in his room with the baby. But suddenly his eyes open with the crying of a baby. But when he tries to feed the baby does not drink the milk and starts giggling. When Jungkook noticed, the baby goes sweet and tries to sleep again, but as soon as Jungkook closes his eyes, the baby starts crying loudly again. And then again, when Jungkook wakes up, the baby starts to giggle again. Jungkook, why are you doing this to me? I thought that after you are born, I will sleep peacefully. I was not able to sleep because of my baby then, but you are not letting me sleep. Why don't you sleep peacefully and let me sleep too? I want to sleep. Please let me sleep. Someone take him away. Mom. Mrs. will come to Jungkook's bedroom. What happened, Jungkook? Jungkook, mom, please take him away from me. He is bothering me a lot. He is not letting me sleep. I want to sleep a lot. Since when? Mrs. John, but Cookie, he is smiling, playing with you. Jungkook, no mom, you don't know him. As soon as I close my eyes, it will start crying again. It is bothering me like this on purpose. Mrs. John, okay, I am taking him. Don't you cry. Listen. Come on, baby, go to your grandma and sleep with your grandpa. And we will play with you. Leave this bunny here alone. As soon as the Mrs. John picked him up in his arms, the baby giggled more loudly and trying to touch Mrs. John on face with tiny hand. Mrs. John, oh my goodie, want to play with grandma, and she left with baby. Jungkook, thank God this little David is gone. Now I can sleep peacefully. Mr. and Mrs. John bedroom. Mr. What happened to you? Why did you bring the baby here from Jungkook's room? Mrs. John, what should I say now? I don't understand who is the baby and who is the mother. He was just born but look like he is 3-4 months old. He never missed a chance to taste and trouble Jungkook. Mr. John, now what has my little grandson done? Mrs. John, he is not letting him sleep on purpose. When Cook starts to sleep, he starts crying, and when Cook wakes up, he starts laughing. And now, look, he is sleeping peacefully after coming here. Mr. John smiling. I can't believe those two fight like Tom and Jerry. On the other side, he mentioned Taeyang bedroom, start crying. Baby, everyone thinks that you are no longer in this world. Who knows whether that operation was successful or not, and who knows whether that person will have kept you in his warm and she might have about you by now. But my heart says that you are in this world and you have come to the world, baby, whether you are a girl or boy. Papa miss you a lot. Papa's blessing is always with you. Whenever you are, always be happy and don't trouble your mama too much. You will be my good child, right? Time skip 1 year. It's Taeyong's birthday today, but there is no celebration in the house. There is silence very rare, like very rare. Because even since Taeyong lost his child and wife, he has never celebrated anything. He is always sick. He always feels guilty for not being able to save both of them. He is sitting quickly in his bedroom when suddenly his bedroom door opened and Jimin and Surya's 2 years person comes in. Jimmy, run to tie, baby, will you feel? Jimmy, Tapa, look what I have brought for you. Tai, what baby? Jimmy, it's your birthday today, so I have brought a birthday gift for you. It's your birthday today, so I have brought a birthday gift for you. Really? Show me, give a speech paper. What is this, baby? Jimmy, I always see you crying alone remembering your baby. That's why I have made a drawing of a baby on this paper with my own hand. Now whenever you miss your baby, you can hug this drawing baby. You will feel good. Tai with fairy eyes. Really, baby, you made this for me? Jimmy nodded. And Taeyang hugged Jimmy. Thank you, baby, I will always keep it with me. Jimmy, Tai, don't cry, calm down. Like Mama said that God always listens to the prayer of the child, so I will say to God that you get your baby soon. Tai, you thought so much about me. This is enough for me. And you are awesome like my son. Now Googie he turned out 1.5 years old. Jungkook talking. Son, Googie, you can't escape to me. Where are you? Come forward. Googie. Penny, run. Mama is angry. Wait, you little devil, where are you running? Up to Jungkook grabs Googie. Mama, leave me. Penny, why you don't run? You betrayed it. Look, Mama crashes. JK, why are you shouting on me? It's all your fault. Do you know what you did? Googie whispering. Penny, now who will save both of us from this angry Mama? Googie, yes, idea. Grammy, Mrs. Sun coming. What, Gookie baby, why are you calling me so loudly? Gookie, run behind Mrs. Sun. Grammy, save us, Mama is angry. Mrs. Sun, Cookie baby, why are you angry at the child? Jungkook, Mama, you don't know what did this little devil of yours done. He dumped all my banana milkshake bottles in the bathroom of filled our bottles with strawberry milkshake. Mrs. Sun, baby Cookie, why did you do this? Why did you empty the whole bottle? Cookie, Granny, your son doesn't let me drink strawberry milkshake, so I empty all his bottle and filled them with strawberry milkshake. Mrs. Sun holding his head. What should I do? From close to. Will they even improve? Baby Cookie, you shouldn't drink so much milk. You know, you don't even eat food because of it. How will you grow up properly? Googie, but Mama also drink banana milkshake. Look, he is big. Jungkook with angry. You know what? Don't come to me later, and you will only drink milkshake. You will not get any food left. Googie, Penny, we made Mama angry. Now she wanna even give us food. Mama, I'm sorry. Googie, love you. Now Jungkook shouting back. No, but Googie don't love Googie. Jungkook is doing some work in the kitchen. Googie, oh, Jungkook. Ah, Googie started laughing out loud, saying Jungkook scared, and Jungkook started taking deep breaths out of fear. Googie, you scared me. I was about to have a heart attack, placing his hand on his chest. But saying this, Jungkook doesn't shout and quickly started doing his work. Actually, when since Googie threw away Jungkook's banana milk, Jungkook hadn't been talking to Googie, and that's why Googie is doing all this to convince his mama. Googie does a lot of things to convince his mama, but even then Jungkook doesn't talk to Googie, so he goes and lies down and makes a sad face. Googie, no one loves Googie. Googie is hungry, but here no one is going to give Googie food. He will not eat cookies because he is alone. It will remain like this because now no one loves Googie. Jungkook was listening to everything and he shook his head. Jungkook, drama king, and Jungkook put food in front of Googie and said to Googie, eat this. I forgive you for this time, but don't do such things again. Don't mess with my food. I left. Googie, yes, plan successful. I know Mama can't stay angry with me for long. He loved Googie. and after that he started eating and by evening. Now Buki is 3 years old, but nothing has changed in those years. Buki still tells his mother, and they both have small fights over food. But their love for each other was different. Jungkook always get irritated and started crying and complain like a baby at that time. Nobody can tell who the baby is and who the mother is. Let's see what baby Buki is doing. Buki, look Nanny, I will look more handsome than my mama. No, no, I am already handsome, but now I will become super handsome. Buki waits in his bedroom, but as soon as he sees Buki, Jungkook. Oh my mama, my makeup product. As soon as Buki hears Jungkook's voice, he immediately runs away from there. At this moment, Buki is standing near Mrs. John, Lisa and Yana is also present there, and Buki is looking at Jungkook is looking at Buki agreeing. Mrs. John, baby, why did you do that? I want to become handsome to super handsome. Lisa touching Gook's stick with her finger. Wow, Buki, you have really become super handsome and soft too. Cookie, I told you not to let that girl come near your baby. She will spoil him. Now see from yourself, Gookie. Yeah, you are right. Because Lisu love Gookie more than don't be jealous. Jungkook glare Gookie. Gookie, don't look at me like that. You look like an angry bunny right now. Lisa and Yana burst out laughing, and Mrs. John tried her best to suppress her laugh. Jungkook, all of you are the same. I'm leaving house. I don't want to live here. I don't know who gave birth to him. I am not his mama. Gookie, go. Then I will bring a new mama. You little devil. Wait. Gookie, run. Gookie, run, Penny. Yeah. Time skip. Mrs. John, honey, will our son remain like this forever? Mrs. John, love, I do not want to force my son in any way. Mrs. John, still how did life go by without marriage? It is very important to have a life partner who can stand by him in his bad times. Mr. John, why are we both not enough? Do you feel they are both a burden to you? Mrs. John, this is what you are saying. Both of them are more precious to me than my life. Mr. John, then stop worrying about your son. Just like facts choose our son for the bouquet. Similarly, when the right time comes, facts itself will make the right person stand in front of Cookie, who will love both of them equally. Taeyang, Mom, please not again. I'm tired of hearing the same thing and tired of my no saying the same thing. Mrs. Kim, but Ty, baby, 4 years have passed. How long will you remain alone like this? I'm saying this for your own good. Ty, no mom, I don't have the courage to lose anyone else anymore. If you request the same thing again, I will leave the house. Mr. Kim, honey, stop forcing him to get married. Earlier also when we forced him, he got married, but he lost everything. Mrs. Kim, but I cannot see my son sad like this. How long will my son remain without happiness? Jim, mom, we understand why you are feeling, but we can't force Taeyang too much. If happiness is tightened in his state, then he will get it at the right time. And if happiness is not in his state, then no matter how we do, we cannot change his fact. Time skip Monday. Suga, shopping. Mom, that's the hook. All coming. What happened, hon? Why are you shopping so much? I'm calling anyone. This is me. Got worried saying tabs in Suga's eyes. Suga, baby, what happened? Why are there tears in your eyes? Suga, mom, you know I have seen a hope. Today I am very happy. If you all hear it, then you too will start crying like me. Dear, hon, don't solve puzzles. Tell me clearly what the matter is. Suga, Dad, mom, our cookie is alive. Mrs. Me, what? Cuckoo? Alive? Suga, yes, mom. With happy tear eyes. And are you telling the truth, our cuckoo? Mr. Me, Suga, how did you know? And where is my son? Mr. Kim, Suga, is this information you received correct? Suga, yes, King Appa. You know, I'm trying to find Cuckoo from the beginning till now, and I got information where a few years ago, a young couple had filed a report with the photo of the Cuckoo, and it was written in that they found this child on a river, and they want to return the child to his parents. Mr. Do you know where they are now? Suga, no, Dad. I called on the number given there, but maybe that number is switched off. That is why I messaged on their name. I hope we got a reply as soon as possible. But you don't worry, whenever you are, I will find him. Mrs. Jones, what will he do now? Will our son go away from us? Mr. Don't you think that Cookie has the right to know about his real parents? Mrs. John. I'm not against anyone, but I cannot live without my son. Mr. John. Do you think I can live without him? But we can't stop him. Imagine what that mother must have gone through when she lost her son. Jungkook. Imma, Appa, what happened? Why? Imma, you are crying. Mr. Jungkook, baby, we have found your real parents. They are calling you. Jungkook hugs Imma. So what? No matter what happened, you both are my father and mother. No one can change you. Don't forget that you both have adopted me. I will not leave you both so easily. Who will take care of that little devil is not in my control. Right now, the John family is standing in front of Jungkook's real house. Jungkook is holding his mother's hand really tight because he is nervous. And Mr. John rings the doorbell. A maid comes and open the door and they all go in and see that everyone is standing there waiting for them. And as soon as he goes inside, everyone's eyes feel on Jungkook. There is complete silence for a while. It was all if nobody was able to understand anything. How, what to say and what to do. Mrs. Min slowly comes in front of Jungkook and holds his cheek with both her hands. There was tear in her eyes and her hand was trembling and speak with trembling lips. Mrs. Jungkook. And she immediately hugged Jungkook and started crying. Jungkook was standing there like this. He was not able to understand what to do. He had never thought even in his dreams that one day he would get to chance to meet his real parents. Mr. and Mrs. John are not his real parents, he knows it very well, but he had never thought that a day would come when he would have to call someone other than Mr. and Mrs. John his mom and dad. Still, Jungkook hugged her because he too have son. He knows the pain a mother feels after losing her son. After a few minutes of meeting, when Jungkook is standing there with Mr. and Mrs. John, Mrs. Min, Cuckoo, you know, today I'm very happy. Jungkook, I'm not Cuckoo, I'm John Jungkook. Mrs. Min feel hurt. Mrs. Min, it's okay baby, I wanna change your name. You belong to John Jungkook, but you will always be Cuckoo to me. Saying Jungkook, Mr. Min, he understood that it will take him some time to get used to this environment and hence he make a request to Mr. John. Mr. Min, Mr. John, can I make a request to you? Mr. John, yes, Mr. Min, please. Mr. Min, I know this is a little difficult, but can you both sit here for Jungkook? I don't want him to go away from both of you. You have given him a new life. You have given him a new name. You both have adopted him and raised him like your own son. And you both have as much right for him as we have for him. He is your son too. That is why I don't want Jungkook to get separate from you. Mr. Min, that is why I don't want Jungkook to get separate from you both just because of that. I promise you, I will help you completely in settling here and in settling your business like a brother, Mr. John. If it's for my son Jungkook's happiness, then I'm willing to do anything for him. Sugar, then uncle is ready. Jungkook and you will stay here from today and don't worry about your business. We will take care of everything. You know, you just stay here comfortably. Even was present there in family, but Sam was watching everything from above. He did not come down, but after a while when their conversation is over, he decided to come down. Mr. John, oh Mr. John, I introduce you to my younger son. But as soon as Jungkook and Mr. and Mrs. John see them, they become completely shocked. Jungkook got completely stuck there. He can't believe it. A grown-up version of his son is standing in front of him. There is no difference between the two. The only difference is that that man has grown up. His son is still young. Sam was getting very confused. Why are those three looking at him as if he is a ghost and not a human being standing in front of him? Everyone else was confused, seeing the reaction of Jungkook and Mr. John. Mrs. Kim, what happened, Jungkook? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you looking at my son like this? Is there any problem? But everyone's attention got diverted after hearing a cute baby voice. Actually, when Jungkook and his mom dad were standing at the door to come in, Gookie walked by, so they think he is going to play in the garden, so they let him go. They think they will take him inside later. This time is the turn of Kim and Min family to get soft. When all looks towards the baby voice, Gookie to Jungkook, Mama, I found lots of yummy strawberries in the grandma's garden. Jungkook forgot, who is just so worried too. Baby Gookie, how many times have I told you that you should never take someone's belongings without asking them? Gookie, but you said this is my grandma's house, so I can take anything from my grandma's house. Where is my grandma? I will ask her. To Mrs. Kim, are you my grandmother? Tell me, Mama, is she my grandmother? Looking at Mrs. Min, Okay. Oh no, there is another grandmother here to Mrs. Ming. But this grandma looked a little like my mama and to Mrs. King. And this grandma looked like little me. So which one of those is my grandma, mama? And other side he's watching very move of Gopi with very feeling how he is looking at Vedman, how he is talking, how he is moving his body, how he is looking at Vedman with his innocent eyes and asking question to his mother. Yes, he know who is he, whose son he is. He doesn't need any proof. Gopi's face answered all the questions. He doesn't need any face to know whose son he is. He was want to scream, he want to run and hug him. He wants to hold his son in his arms and shout that he is his father, but it seems as if he is unable to do anything. He is unable to speak anything. His body is unable to move. It seems as if someone has tied him in a thick chair. Then Goki's eyes fell on Taeyong and he suddenly becomes silent. And he slowly starts walking towards Taeyong and he goes and stands in front of Tai and looks carefully at Tai's face like this for some time and observes each and every features of Taeyong. Okay, who are you? Why do you look exactly like me? Sam wanted to say loudly, I am your father, but no sound was coming out of his throat. When Cookie doesn't get any answer from Taeyang, he turns to his mama.